You already know the basics of editing. You can cut clips, add text, maybe drop in a transition or two. But even after hours of work, your videos don't hook people. And you've probably wondered why other creators get hundreds of thousands or even millions of views while yours barely get clicks. The difference isn't just what they're saying, it's how they're showing it. Great creators don't just talk, they visualize. Their edits flip, spin, and transform in ways that keep your eyes glued to the screen. Imagine this. Instead of boring text, a button flips and reveals the next step. Instantly, your brain lights up. That's the power of fancy editing. And this is the reason why we're here today, to learn how to visualize every moment and keep viewers hooked. And the best part? I made it all in CapCut. No After Effects, no AI, no endless tutorials. So now that you see what's possible, let's slow it down, break it apart, and go step by step to bring that same energy into your edits. Go to Text, import a text layer into the timeline. Delete the text and type a single space. Keep pressing Enter until the block is the size you want. Now, rotate it. It should read as a box. Next, copy-paste as many as you need. I'm making 13 boxes, so I duplicate 13 times. Now, go to Effects. Search for Glow and add Glow 2. Next, copy that effect and paste it on every text layer. Scroll down and add a background. Next, choose a different background color for each text. Then, repeat this for all texts. Every box gets its own color. Select a text with its effect, then right-click and create compound clip. Go to the Video tab upper left. Next, click Mask, choose Rectangle, then scale it. Scroll down, set Feather 4 and Round Corners 15. Repeat for the rest of your text. Okay, add another text layer on top. Same process. Type space, rotate, add a background, new colors. Then add a rectangle mask. Add another text layer, write your title or message. Next, place it on the box. Choose any color or glow you want. Go to Basic, turn Uniform Scale off. Next, move a few seconds ahead, go to Width, add a keyframe. Then, move 4 to 6 seconds ahead, add another keyframe, scale to 0. Move a bit further, scale back to 100. Find the moment your first clip scales to 0. Next, cut the right side of the first clip there, cut the left side of the top clip there. It should feel like as the first flips out, the next flips in. Now, align both so the second appears in the same position the first disappeared. Then, select both and create compound clip. Repeat for the rest of your clips. Go to the media, then to the library and add a background clip. Resize it to cover the entire frame beneath your clips. Add another text layer for your main title. Next, change font and color. Then, go to Animation and give it a clean and out. position each designed box where you want it to appear on screen. Next, in Basic, add a keyframe. Set scale to 0. Then, animate it to come from behind the title and land on the side. Repeat for all clips. Then, trim the extra. Select everything, create compound clip. Go to Adjust, tweak saturation, temperature, tint, exposure, vignette. Then, refine with subtle scale keyframes for motion polish. That's it. Final result locked. You can design different styles, place your text in different parts of the screen, and set your layout differently. The key is knowing how to visualize your script inside CapCut. No other software needed. Next time you edit, don't just throw words on the screen. Think about how they enter, how they exit, how they guide your viewer through the story. That's how editing becomes teaching. And hey, if you want more videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's level up together.